Our pose today is the flying boat pose. For those of you that spend time hunched over a desk or a steering wheel or whatever fine work it is that you do, you're going to really love this because it does exactly the opposite for you. As the receiver. As the giver, you get a little bit of core work, a little bit of balance work, and a really great focus in fine-tuning exactly how to create pressure in Thai yoga massage and how to use your partner's body against your own to do that. So we're going to start out with the feet right down at the base of the spine. I've got the balls of my feet right on her sacrum. Nice time to kind of just do a little press from side to side because that feels darn good for the low back. And I'm going to reach forward and grab her elbows. She's going to try not to help me. Remember, if you control the elbows, you control the whole arm. And bring her arms back and up, but being mindful of listening for any resistance. When I feel resistance, I'll stop there. Now, there are a few different grips that you can work with here. This one with her palms facing in, we'll get a little bit more into her deltoids, those caps on the top of her shoulders. If I turn her palms out, we get a little more rotation in the arms, and now we're working more into the chest. If your partner has shoulder issues, or it's just, it's a little scary sometimes to have someone hold your arms behind you, then you can grab on and hold each other's wrists. And this will give your partner a little bit more sense of control, and they'll feel a lot safer. So for Maggie, because I know she likes a big stretch into her pecs, we're going to turn the palms out here. She's going to relax her arms, and I'm going to walk my feet up her back. I'm going to stop when the balls of my feet are right below her shoulder blades. So my toes might be on her shoulder blades, but the balls of my feet are not. Now I'm going to press with my feet and pull gently with my hands. As if I open her arms, she'll get even a little bit more. And relax your shoulders a little. Most everybody tenses their shoulders here. But once they relax, so good. Now the more I push with my feet, the more back bend she's going to feel. The more I pull with my arms, the more shoulder stretch she's going to feel. So you want to work on playing between the two to find that sweet spot, that place where you like to spend some time. You'll notice in my own posture, my knees are still slightly bent, so I still have room to maneuver her a little deeper into the pose if she'd like. I'm right up on my sits bones so that my spine can be neutral. And I'm dropping my shoulders. When I'm ready to release, I'm going to walk down her back down to her sacrum. I'm going to push her arms forward a little bit so her shoulders can relax, and then I'm going to give her back her own arms. So find your partner, try this out, and let me know how it goes. It's a delicious move for both giver and receiver.